Bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkosi wethu namhlanje. Bazala bamzitho, it's about Usima noGhostLube. Usima and GhostLube announced their breakup last month, if I'm not mistaken. It's been less than 4 weeks since they announced that they are no longer together. And even videos Usima have shooter now, you could see that Usima shooter, those videos are goobo. So guys, there were allegations that this couple, they were staying together, but Sima has never confirmed those allegations. But remember, a lot of content to Sima, big shooter, you could see by judging from the background that this couple, they are staying together. So guys, they didn't reveal their reason of a breakup, but they said it was a mutual agreement that Bonababona, as if their relationship is not working. So they've decided, you know what, this thing is not working, let's just move on. But again, on last week podcast and chill Monday episode, Ukmechi this say yeah Nanosima Kona Lagi Wasana Nanosima Kona, and they decided to have things. It was Usima Mechi and Koskas Gamechi, or with my friends and Koskas Gamechi Unaled. And there he noticed that GhostLube ufonele Usima more than 5 times Balobatel, and they didn't even stay for more than 4 hours. But they're having things. Usima did call GhostLube, telling him, you know what, I'm with my boss, we are having things, just vibes. But after that, GhostLube keeps on calling, keep on calling, and it's the way Umechi it seems as if GhostLube has trust issues, or he doesn't trust Usima. And guys say, okay, but on yesterday's Spreading Humors episode, we understood no Zilo, they did confirm that Usima begati makahleli no GhostLube. Usima would not pick up my calls. Zilo did say, you know what, now I can call you freely, knowing that you will pick up the calls every time it's the right time, because I believe that Uzoa Bamba my calls. That shows good Usima the time begahlala no GhostLube, Usima beganga bamba my calls abantu, and which is a very first red flag, or a huge red flag in a relationship whereby you can see there is no trust, and the person on a trust issues, he is the one Ochisa. Remember guys, that lady Unaquid Lobega Bifano Sima on the other podcast, Open Chat podcast, this say GhostLube na my girlfriend, GhostLube is cheating on Usima, but Usima didn't azanga phikise those allegations, and she didn't also confirm ukuthi, you know what, vele uGhostLube yangichithela uvele wayimaza. But a lot of things that show that lady uye waziphendula leyo azange azayiphendule bazalwane, if you do remember that beef yabo nalo ya sister. So yesterday Underwood did say, you know what, I'll tell you my friend, GhostLube unalo hlanyanyana. GhostLube is toxic, because GhostLube would call more than 50 times Masambin. It shows good relationship, it was toxic. And guys, this shows good, do not believe whatever you see on the social. One thing that I've noticed about relationship GhostLube no Sima, that was not a good sign of a relationship. But I remember Sima, even now, if we bugele video, the recent video, it was a stream where Sima with Uzile with Usima did say intimates upload on her YouTube channel is that YouTube is giving her that pin thing about Sunday Lion. It's giving her problems. But if you're dating someone who has over 1 million subscribers and he has been on YouTube, why should Uzile assist Usima with that YouTube problem while GhostLube bangam? To me, it seems like GhostLube is dating Usima just for vibes and just for it loud. Let's just be honest, just for likes. You could see, and if you remember, guys, so they did say Nabuti Usima GhostLube is always wanna take his shine Gasima, because on the first live show of Spreading Humors Wakibeli stage and attention Berakabang is a shifter from Usima to him. So maybe the allegations of GhostLube is with Usima just because he wants the likes and he wants to see ama videos like a trend, because guys, numbers don't lie. Marenzi video no Sima if video kwana itola more likes and more viewers. Let's just be honest. But mhlambe yenuna amanye reason he truly loved Usima, just that una trust issues nje yena as GhostLube. But bazalwane mzitho, you can do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Inithanda ukuya nokubuya.